Welcome back to Wall Street Confidential. My guest, Jim Cramer, spoke with Warren Buffett earlier this week, and an interesting revelation about wind and the demand for wind in this country.
I was not one of those guys who's trying to find some new wrinkle with Buffett in the sense that, did he do the wrong thing in Moody's, whatever. I mean, that stuff is not. But Buffett's a great investor, period. End of story. I wanted to know about this bet that I hear he's making in wind, all right? And he's got this Mid-America, he's got this utility company, and he's very involved in utilities. And what he said was not impressive for wind at first, and then I've been thinking about it and realized that I'm too short-sighted. He said that, well, they'd like to do some wind, but the towers, they're hard to get, and GE has done him a favor and given him some towers, and boom, tower shortage. How many things are in shortage right now other than Apple Macs and in shares of MasterCard? Okay. There is, without a doubt, a major underlying change going on in the Midwest, switching to wind for peak base, not base. People think that baseline is the regular everyday energy that utilities produce. Peak is when they have these spikes, and solar has been viewed as being the peak play. I'm saying it's going to be wind for the great Midwest, literally from Texas north, okay? I've been recommending Otter, which is a not great utility that has a wind division. I've been recommending Trinity, which is a not great rail car maker that has a wind division. And now I realize if Buffett says they're in short supply, we need a pure play. And the pure play, and I will not use this on my show because it is a bulletin board stock, and we do not talk about bulletin board stocks on my TV show. BWEN. This is the play. BWEN. It's pure play. It builds them and it installs them. I think the fact that Buffett's having a hard time getting towers tells you that demand for this company is a $1 billion company. This is the kind of thing that I would recommend to people as your speculative play. I think this could be a gigantic company.
You say there
are $1 billion company. It could be gigantic.
You say it's a tough industry to invest in, though. It's a tough business.
Well, it has been because Vesta's not well run, and that's been the windmill company they advertise all the time. Zoltec, that was a player that makes the carbon fibers for windmills. We saw that they had a financial scandal yesterday. GE is way too big to play for wind. Trinity, you got that car. You have that rail car drag. Ottertail, you have the regular utility drag. There's no drag to BWEN. Big fourth quarter. Not making money yet, but the revenues are exploding. That's the play. Our viewers should be buying it.
All right, pure play. Thank you so much, Jim Cramer, on wind. This is Wall Street Confidential. Don't go away.